Alright, let me show you how to fix this problem whereby you open your Google Play Store and you actually see this coming on your screen. You haven't set up purchase verification, so use biometrics and all that stuff. So let me show you how to fix that problem. All you're going to do is you're going to open your phone settings. Okay, when you open your phone settings, you're actually going to scroll down and look for what they call applications, right? So you're going to scroll down, look for applications, select apps. Now what you're going to do is that in the search apps option right there, you see that depending on the type of phone that you actually have, you're actually going to look for this application. Okay, this application, that is the Google Play Store application within your device. Then you tap on Google Play Store. That's the third option. Select it. Now you're going to do the following. One, I want you to first tap on the force stop option right there in the right lower aspect of the screen where you see the word force stop. Then press OK. Then the next part is that you're going to actually do, you're going to see the storage option, tap the storage option, and then you're going to first look at the clear cache. Okay, the next part is, you see in the left lower part of the screen, you see clear data. Okay, you're going to tap that, then you press OK. After pressing OK, you're going to go back to your Google Play Store application. Okay, when you open your Google Play Store, the other message is not shown anymore. Consider subscribing if you actually get value in the video. See you next time.